Hello, my name is Gary Talbot and welcome to the T&T Teaching and Learning YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can use PowerPoint games in your lesson as a starter or a plenary. Now, PowerPoint games have been around for quite a long time, and you can get them from various different websites. If you just type in PowerPoint games for teaching or something like that in Google, you should get quite a number of different sites. Now, I've put some examples in a link in the description below, so if you want to get on there and have a look at the different ones and see how you can use them, and the link is below. So what I do when I'm using these PowerPoint games is at the end of the lesson or the beginning of a lesson, when I want to find out how much people's remembered, I will give the class a set of mini whiteboards. What I would do then is ask a question related to something they've been taught, then give them a time limit and get them to write down their answers on the whiteboard and show them at the same time. I would then, as a teacher, scan the classroom to find the correct answers or pupils that have answered correctly. And then I would just choose randomly one person who got it correct. And that person would then take part or play a round in one of these PowerPoint games. And what I do is if they manage to win on one of these games, I would reward them with an achievement point or a chocolate or whatever you want to use as a teacher as a reward in your classroom. So I'm just going to give you a couple of examples of things that I've used in the past. The first one is battleships. So I would ask a question, if they got it correct, then I would get them to choose a grid reference. So it might be B5 or something like that. You would click it and you could see that's hit a battleship. So I would then put them in the draw at the end to win a prize, or I'd give them achievement points for finding a battleship. Somebody else who answers a question might hit nothing and they don't win anything. Another example is something which is called buried or sunken treasure, sorry. And you can see on this, I'll just skip through it. So the good thing about this game, it has a number of different game boards. So it's unlikely that people remember where the treasure was from the previous time that you played the game. So we'll just choose number 9, for example, and you've got a series of squares with numbers on, and all you have to do is play the game, choose a pupil that's got a correct answer, and then they would choose a number. You would click that number. If the treasure is behind that number, then you would reward them. If there's not, then they wouldn't get anything, or you might just want to give them an achievement point for trying. And you'd click through until eventually you can see behind one of the squares was the treasure. So they're just 2 examples of activities that you can use, or PowerPoint games that you can use in your lesson to make it a little bit more engaging, a little bit more fun in terms of retrieving information from pupils' minds or from their memories. If you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and future updates. Thanks very much. See you later.